Yeah, in this session, let's see how you can upgrade the maintenance release of the Commserve machine. So for that, open the Commvault Process Manager, and here you can see 11.32 is your feature release and 20 is your maintenance release. So we are going to upgrade that maintenance release. So for that, as a sanity, pre-sanity, you have to run the disaster recovery backup first, and wait for that backup to complete. Okay, now you can see the TR backup got completed. If you want to see the location of the phase 1 backup, so go to the tools location, home, control panel. So here search for the DR, and this is the location where you have the phase 1 backup. You can verify that in the E drive. If you go to the E drive in the Commserve machine itself, you have this folder, and you can see that. So this is the timestamp and the files created here. The phase 1 will write onto that, and the phase 2 backup will be anyhow will write onto the storage policy. So this is the storage policy associated with the Commserve DR backup. Okay, and the primary copy it's going to write. So uh, just verify if everything is working like your command center also, and everything is good, then the pre-sanity is completed, and then we'll start the media maintenance release upgrade process. Yes, you can see that, I'm able to connect to the Commserve. So let's stop and close everything and then go to that process manager and stop the services also. Okay, so now we can see all the services have been stopped. Let's go to that the location where I have kept that maintenance release. So it is for Windows, so 11.3283. So that's the maintenance release. You have to download it from your, store.com, one.com and copy it onto the Commserve machine. And it will be a zip file. You have to extract it. After extracting, you'll see the files like this. So what you have to do, you have to run the installer. So install update file is one that you have to run. So it's going to do all the prerequisites check and then it's going to install it. So it will take a while. So let me pass the video. So now I can see that it is installing all the hot fixes. There are around 2,900 hot fixes that to be installed. Okay, so you can see here the installation install update completed. Click on OK to start the services. So once the services are started, so we can open the Commcell console. Okay, so we got the success message. Go to that go to the start menu from Vault and Process Manager, and then go for verifying. Yeah, I can see that the maintenance release is 11.32.83. It is updated. Service not started. So open the Commcell console. The next step is that we have to create a cache, right? Yeah, let me. Okay, let's log into the console. software folder, we have this location for the maintenance release. Similarly for Linux, we have this location. So let's extract this one. We have to use add and remove software. So in the software cache configuration, let's see what is the cache has. So you can see that so we have a cache for Windows 11 32 20. So that means the cache is not up to date. So what you have to do is to go to add or remove software, copy software and browse that location. So it's on the C user administrator desktop software and this is the location, right, where it is extracted. Click on OK and click on OK again. So this is going to initiate one job which is going to copy the software from that staging location onto the the software cache folder. We have to wait for this job to complete. In the same way, if you don't have an Linux uh, maintenance release, you have to extract this here. So because you need to have an because it's tar file, you need to have a 7-zip file to extract it. So let's quickly download the 7-zip file here. So 64-bit executable file. That is what I need. So to wait for the download to finish. And run as administrator. So it has been installed. Now go to the desktop, common software, maintenance release, and extract it here, okay, using a 7-zip. Ensure that you have a sufficient space in the C drive. We have 54 GB there, so that should be good enough. And the copy software will be so it's on 90%. Okay, so you can see the extraction has been completed here on the desktop. If you go to the software, so we are able to extract the files here, and we can delete the tar file because it's consuming some space. So I want to get rid of that. Let's remove that you know the braces there. And this is the location where we have the Linux maintenance release, the Linux version of maintenance release. So we add our remove software, copy software, so put that here and say OK. Okay, it's not allowing because there is already a job running here. So we have to wait for the job to complete. wait for some time because the copy is still running. Okay, so you see that the copy software job completed. Let's go to the tool, add a remove, and here, sorry, add a remove software cache configuration. Click on the cache detail. Now you see that WinX64 showing the latest version in the cache. So likewise, we do the same for Linux also. So we have the maintenance release tar file extracted over here in this location. So go to this location, go to tool, add or remove software, copy software, and do the same for Linux. Okay, click on OK. Now it's going to start one job. So in the meantime, what we can do is that we can prepare for upgrade. So here you can see that we have a media agent. So once the Commserve is upgraded, you have to upgrade the media agent. Let's bring these servers online. So the media agent and this one. Let me go to that workstation here, bring that online because we have to push the software that server should be online. And likewise, we have an Hyper-V node to bring that online. Okay, we got some error. Let's see what that actually means. It says that is empty or does not have valid media. So let's see why we got that error. So this is the location we have given. So what's the right location? Uh, let's do it one more time. We will add or remove copy software and browse for the location, C drive, user, administrator, desktop, convert software and MR11.23 and this is the package, right? Click on OK and OK and OK. And then that should start the job.